My name is Yash Karkur. I am a student of biotechnology from NIT Raipur, and here we are to discuss about our topic human goals. According to me, human beings and harmony in the family, in the sequence, the next level of living for a human being is society. So we can see very much that we can convey of a society only if we have family living together in a relationship of mutual fulfillment. Otherwise, it's just like a crowd or battlefield. This is a proposition about the intimate harmony in existence. It can be evaluated and understood within the self. There are four levels of human goals at the level of individual, at the level of society, at the level of family, and at the level of nature. So, my friend Nikhil, what do you think at the level of individual?
Hello, myself, Biotech branch, IIT Raipur. Well, friends, in my opinion, lack of individual of right understanding and good health can cause a sense of unhappiness, unsatisfied, and unfulfillment in our life. Now, you will ask what is right understanding? Right understanding is basically acceptance. When we start accepting the things around us that truly exist and acknowledging the problem in the world around us as well as in our life. Secondly, when we start understanding what really need for us and what really value for us in our life. Right understanding is very important for right feeling, which gives happiness and joyfulness in our life. Second most important goal at individual level should be the health resource of our life. Both mental and physical health are important for us. To maintain our physical health, we should set a goal of regular exercises like yoga, cardio, aerobics, and different type of trainings in our daily routine. For mental health, we know, friends, nowadays it is becoming a very serious problem. Mental health issue like depression, pressure, tension, overthinking, anger must not be ignored at any cost because if they ignored, would become a suicidal thought and many more bigger mental health issue. Now, I want to ask my friend Subham and take his opinion on what about the goal should be at the family level.
Thank you, Nikhil. Hello, everyone. This is Subham Kumar Verma from Biotechnology second semester. In my opinion, human goal at family levels will lead to prosperity in family and which will lead bring happiness in life. In every family, there is a requirement of right human goals such as gratitude towards family member, taking care of other family members, and helping a family member in their hard times. These all human goals lead to harmony in relationship between family member and prosperity in every family. In every family, values such as respect and trust make a solid foundation for the harmony between family members. So, Alok, what do you think about the human goals at the level of society? What are your opinions?
Thank you, Shubham. I am Alok Kumar Mishra. According to me, at the level of society, our goal are happiness and prosperity. Happiness is ensured by the relationship with other human beings, and prosperity is ensured by the working on the physical facilities. But due to the improper human goals, uh, there is some problems in our society, which is increasement in terrorism, violation, corruption. For for this, we have to maintain peace and security in our society so that we can lead beautiful and enjoyous life. So, so now I want to ask my friend Nikhil, what is the goal setting at the level of nature?
Thank you, my friend. In my opinion, the goal at the nature level should be the mutual coexistence and mutual fulfillment among all the four orders of our nature that are human order, material order, plant order, and animal order. Although it seems insignificant at an individual level, but our individual goal can also contribute positively and significantly towards our environmental issue. Like we should inculcate the habit of planting the trees at every festivals and occasions and We should set a goal to enhance and emphasize on sustainable development and try to connect ourselves to the nature directly, because connecting to the nature directly helps us in mental peace and also boost our mental health. Now I want to ask my friend, yes, that what are the problems facing at the nature level?
Thank you, Nikhil. According to me, problem manifests in the form of ecological disturbances and lack of natural resources. Air, water, soil, and food are getting increasingly poisonous. Fertility of the soil is reducing. The problem of water shortage is depending. The nutrition value of a food is decreasing. Ecological imbalance have resulted into global warming. On the other hand, many breakouts and wonders are being made by modernity, science, and technology, while on the other, man still remains an unknown and unrelated to himself and other human being. Today, human being has become the uh, biggest source of problem for human being. The possibility of war between two nations, terrorism, fear of fight and violence within the nation state and corruption of the daily lives of human beings has increased. Daily lives of human beings has increased ecological imbalance, chemical fertilizers and pesticide and sanitary lifestyle of making the body weak and prone to disease. So I want to ask my friend Shivam, uh, what if we don't have a proper human?
Uh, Thank you. Yes, according to me, at the level of family, the lack of right human goals can create problems such as breaking of joint families, mistrust, conflict between older and younger generations, insecurities in relationship, family family fights, wasteful expenditure in family functions, and etc. So these problems are very critical in our day-to-day life because this can create disharmony in our family, which will bring unhappiness. So we must take care of these right human goals at the level of family. So let's go to Nikhil. So Nikhil, what do you think? How should we tackle our mental issues so we can make a right human goal?
Yeah, well, my friend, thank you for asking me this question. So firstly, we should not be ashamed and must not ignore any mental health we are dealing. Second, most primary and basic goal should be interacting more number of people and making new friends, because they will help us in sharing our problems, stress, and also motivate. Second most important thing, include meditation and yoga in our daily routine in order to maintain our basic chemical chemistry of our mind. Now, I want to follow that why equity in the society is very important.
Thank you, Nikhil. You are right. Equity is most important goal of human in a society. As we see, there is equality in our society, but where is equity? As equity has its own moral implication and intimate link with the fairness and social justice. Equity can help to reduce poverty directly or indirectly, and it can also reduce political conflict. In order to we also know to generate equal opportunity for each and every individual, we have to enforce equity in our society. So I think equity is most important goal of any human at the level of society.
Yes. But friends, we should not also forget that there may be some problems in goal setting also, because sometimes setting an unrealistic goal and in neglecting the goal that helps in joy and happiness and not being able to achieve that goal could create a sense of failure and self-doubt. And this may further leads to overthinking, depression, tension, and anxiety.
Yes,
Yes,
Nikhil, I
you are
agree
right.
with you. According to me, right understanding in the individual is the basis of harmony in family, which is the building block for our society. in the society, and which create harmony in our society, and further it will bring happiness and peaceful mind in our life. So we must have a proper human goals at each level, because it helps us to bring harmony in our life.
Okay. Thank you, all of you. I am satisfied with all of yours. Thank you for this
Thank you.
discussion. Thank you, all of you.
Uh,
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank